The Malaysian Court of Appeal has issued a landmark ruling on the brutal 2017 murder of Navy Cadet Officer Zulfarhan Osman Zulkarnain. This highly anticipated verdict comes 7 years after the gruesome incident that shocked the nation and left a young cadet's family in unimaginable grief. The court's decision, delivered on July 23, 2024, sentences 6 former students of University Pertahanan Nasional Malaysia, UPNM, to death under Section 302 of the Penal Code, highlighting the extreme cruelty of their actions. Zulfarhan Osman Zulkarnain, a third-year electrical engineering student with dreams of captaining ships, was brutally tortured over a stolen laptop accusation. The horrifying sequence of events began on May 13, 2017, when Zulfarhan was first confronted by a group of people at the Cadet building of UPNM's hostel. A shaman had been summoned to identify the thief, and Zulfarhan's name was mentioned. Despite his denials, he was beaten by a group of 20 to 30 students who accused him of the theft. The situation escalated on May 21, 2017, when Zulfarhan was called to room 4-10 at the Cadet building. There, he was subjected to a mass beating. The students used a steam iron to press and drag along his limbs and torso while his hands and feet were tied. In addition to the iron, they used belts, rubber hoses, and hangers to torture him further. His torment continued for 11 days. Despite his obvious suffering, the assailants ignored his condition and prevented him from receiving proper medical care. 2 of Zulfarhan's batchmates, seeing his weakened state, drove him to a clinic on May 27. He was taken again on May 31, but it was not until June 1, after significant delays, that Zulfarhan was finally brought to a hospital. Tragically, despite attempts to revive him, he was pronounced dead at 9:10 p.m. An autopsy revealed that 80% of his body was covered in burns, a testament to the extent of the torture he endured. The court's judgment, spanning 93 pages and delivered over 3 hours, was led by Justice Hatariah Syed Ismail. She emphasized the extreme sadism of the 6 accused, noting that their actions not only shocked the judicial conscience but also the collective conscience of society. Despite seeing the victim writhing in pain, the accused continued to torture him, resulting in 90 burns on his body. The 6 former UPNM students, all now aged 28, were directly involved in planning and executing the torture. Their names are Muhammad Akmal, Sahari Azmal, Abdul Hakim Maud Ali, Muhammad Najib Maud Razi, Muhammad Azamuddin Mad Sofi, Muhammad Afif Najmuddin Azaha, and Muhammad Shobran Sabri. Additionally, 12 other former students were given 4-year imprisonment sentences for injuring Zulfarhan, an increase from their previous 3-year sentences. Zulfarhan's parents, Zulkarnain Idros and Hawa Osman, have been vocal about their son's unjust death, attributing it to the shaman's baseless accusations. Zulkarnain has stated that his son was a victim of the shaman's slander, a claim that was supported by the shaman's admission in court that his indications were based on intuition and visions, not evidence. The parents expressed their profound grief and disbelief at the condition in which they found their son's body, with Hawa describing the experience as unbearably painful. Upon hearing the final sentences, Zulfarhan's parents performed the Sujud Syukur, a prostration of gratitude, in court. They thanked the Malaysian public for their support throughout the case and expressed relief that justice had finally been served. This case underscores the importance of due process and the severe consequences of vigilantism and baseless accusations. Please share your thoughts and comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel, 2230, for more updates on this and other important news stories.